Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Arpita and this is my channel ARPITA'S grooming also guys. अगर अभी भी आप लोग मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन आल्सो एंड नेवर मिस एन अपडेट. सो गाइस, मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक डे न्यूट्रल लुक. यस गाइस, ये लुक सबके लिए है. यू ऑल कैन क्रिएट दिस लुक व्हेन यू गोइंग टू योर ऑफिस और योर कॉलेज. So this is a very good and I think very useful look for all of you guys. So don't be late, let's get started today's video. At first I will apply a moisturizer that is from Plum, and this is Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. I will take a little bit amount of this moisturizer. Now I will apply the primer, and here I am using Inside Primer 3-in-1 Primer, Protects and Moisturizer. This is a very good primer guys. I will take a little bit amount. Here you can see it works in small amount. Guys, the second step is also complete. Now I will correct my face with the help of this palette. I don't have so many dark spots on my skin, but I have such a little bit dark circles on my eyes, so I correct it. Also applied little bit of corrector on my forehead area because here I have some tan. So now I will take a blender and with the help of this I blend the corrector very well. Applying the Lakme CC cream as the base or foundation. With the help of a foundation brush I will blend it very well. I am applying or I am creating a day look makeup, so I don't apply too much makeup products or too much foundation or CC cream on my face because it will look so cakey on the day look makeup. So I will create a very natural look for this day look makeup. Applied a little bit of CC cream on my neck because when you make up it is very necessary that you also make up on your neck. Will again dab this blender on my face for the even distribution of the CC cream all over my face. I will apply Lakme compact powder with the help of this brush all over my face to setting the CC cream. I will draw my eyebrow with the help of this Swiss Beauty palette and help of the black and brown shade. So guys, my eyebrow is complete as you can see. Now I'll do my eye makeup, so I will using this s.f.r new palette artistic to create the eyeshadow of my eye. We'll take this shade as a transition color. You can see the transition shade is complete. Now I will take this pink shade from this pink shade from this palette. The pink shade also done guys. Now I will take something glittery shade for my eyelids. This shade you can see. This is the palette from Swiss Beauty 12 color eyeshadow palette. You can see guys, it is so gorgeous. So guys, as you can see, now I will blend these two colors with the help of another brush. So guys, the eyelids is complete. Now I will go to apply kajal on my lower eye. This is the kajal from Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This is my favorite kajal. of smudging brush, I will smudge the kajal. Smudge this kajal. Now I will apply eyeliner. So here I am using Maybelline eyeliner. Maybelline is my also favorite brand, and the eye products of Maybelline is just awesome, guys. All eye products of Maybelline is my favorite, so I will highly recommend you to buy the Maybelline eye product. I am applying this highlighter shade from this palette on my inner corner of my eyes. Of this brush, I will add the upper same pink shade onto my lower eyelid. Curl my eyelashes with the help of this. Today I am gonna apply Maybelline Colossal mascara. Now I will contour my face with the help of the angle brush. So guys, as you can see, I complete my bronzing and contour together. Now I will apply the lipstick, and today I am using lipstick of LA18. This is not a lipstick, this is a lip crayon, shade of 4 Peach Love. So today I am gonna apply this. I'm gonna contour my nose. I forgot this step, so now I'm gonna contour my nose. A little bit of contour, as you can see. So guys, the contouring is complete. Now I am gonna apply highlighter. This is from Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter in the shade of this pink, second one. Let's see how it's look. Yes guys, today the help of this all of the makeup kits I created this makeup look. How it is गाइस, ये आप लोगों को कैसे लगा ये मेकअप लुक? अगर अच्छे लगे तो ज़रूर ये आप लोग ट्राई कीजिए व्हेन यू विल गो एनी डे पार्टी और कॉलेज और ऑफिस. यू कैन ऑल्सो कैरी दिस लुक्स गाइस. सो हाउ इट इज. हाउ इट इज़. प्लीज़ कुछ बोलिए इस लुक के बारे में और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए. एंड वीडियो को पसंद आए तो लाइक ज़रूर करना एंड शेयर तो करना ही. सो गाइस, अंटिल नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय बाय.